Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So this will probably be the first video on the new SP. So there's parked up in all its beauty, being guarded by one and only. Good stuff. Yeah, so I think today I need to get the SP Connect set up. So at least I can connect my phone up on it and do some travels. It's going to go somewhere over here. And the gear we're setting up is this stuff. So I've got the iPhone 11 SP Connect, and I've got this charging module, but I got a feeling that cable is way too short. I don't think it's going to get to the back, so I might have to do that later, but just get this one set up to start with. All right, let's see what happens. So I think I'm going to start in this position here, because then at least I can maneuver this and get the phone at least to sit horizontal in front of me, so that'll be good for traveling. But yeah, let's see how that goes to start with. Okay, so that's the first mount set up there. I think I just need to now spin this bit around to flip this bit over so that the phone's more horizontal. But yeah, this bar is quite fat. It's quite chunky. It's surprising actually. So I think I'm happy with that setup there. It's quite horizontal. There is a clearance there, so that's quite good. The phone doesn't catch anything there. So I'll show you a quick video of it with the phone on. So there you go, look at that. So in a riding position, it's quite straight in front, so that'll be good. And obviously being the SP Connect, you just literally go pop, job done. Happy days. First mod done, perfect.